Hi, I am Manjula Paul, owner of Utrecht Ayurveda. Today I would like to share with you the benefits of mung beans, otherwise known as mudga in Sanskrit, which means happiness. Mung beans can be prepared either with or without their dark green skin, whole or split. The skin itself contains a lot of fiber but makes your meal a bit coarser and heavier. The taste with skin is also more earthy and not to everyone's liking. With the skin, mung beans can also be harder to digest. Like alfalfa, whole mung beans can be soaked until they sprout and then used in your cooking. They are rich in iron, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and E. Mung beans are also often used in soups, mixed with steamed or sauteed vegetables, and is one of the main ingredients in khichdi as they are so easy to digest. The rasa or taste is sweet, astringent, and slightly salty. The virya or potency is cold, and the vipaka or post-digestive taste is pungent. Mung beans contain saponins, which have some healing benefits but can be hard to digest. To reduce saponins, soak the beans overnight and strain and rinse the following morning. Mung beans are also available at most Indian grocery stores and can also be found in certain Asian grocery stores and certainly online. Due to its astringent taste, mung beans can be slightly vata aggravating. If you have vata imbalance, soak the beans overnight and be sure to eat the mung beans without the skin. And try preparing your meals with vata reducing ghee and herbs such as cumin, ginger, or cinnamon. Since mung beans have a cooling potency or virya, it reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. To enhance this healing property, garnish your recipe with coriander leaves. Overall, mung beans are pitta balancing, and the whole mung beans with its green skin are kapha balancing. Please go to the downloads page and download my favorite mung bean recipe, which is a spinach and mung bean soup. It's great any time of day, but it's especially nice for breakfast with a Kerala parotha on a cold winter morning. You can also see my video for khichdi on my YouTube page or website. Thank you for visiting, and I welcome you to follow me weekly. Subscribe, like, and share these videos with friends or family you think might benefit from learning about the world's oldest healthcare system.